Chief Justice NV Ramana has raised several concerns over judicial infrastructure today as he shared the stage with Law Minister Kiren Rijiju. He also urged the Law Minister to make sure the proposal to set up the National Judicial Infrastructure Authority is taken up in the winter session of Parliament. He said judicial infrastructure for courts in India has always been an afterthought, and it is because of this mindset that courts in India still operate with dilapidated structures, making it difficult to perform effectively. This is what the Chief Justice of India said at an event today. He added that only 5% of court complexes have basic medical aid. 26% of court complexes don't have separate toilets for men and women, and 16% of courts don't have toilets for men. He pointed out now nearly 50% of court complexes don't have a library. 46% of court complexes don't have the facility to purify water. These were some of the key issues that were raised by the Chief Justice while he shared stage, interestingly, with the Union Law Minister.
Good judicial infrastructure for courts in India has always been an afterthought. It is because of this mindset that courts in India still operate from dilapidated structures, making it difficult to effectively perform their functioning. Judicial infrastructure is important for improving access to justice and to meet the growing demand of the public that is more aware of its right and is developing economically, socially, and culturally.
I am also looking forward for a harmonious relationship between judiciary, the executive, and the legislature. We all are working for our nation. We all are committed to give justice to the people of this great nation. We are a team. We are just different organs of our setup, our system, our state, but we are a team. I always consider as a member of the team.
Sukirti joins us with the very latest. Sukirti, interesting developments that you're reporting on today, sharing a stage. The Chief Justice of India has urged the Law Minister to look at infrastructure issues related to courts across the country.
Well, yes, this is definitely significant because we don't usually see judges making such remarks on podiums like these. If the Supreme Court Chief Justice has to say anything, they say it in court, but not outside in a public event like this where they are sharing a stage with the Union Law Minister. And that is why it is very significant that the Chief Justice of India chose this opportunity to highlight all the issues of how there are severe infrastructure issues that they've been facing for a very long time, ranging from lack of toilets for both men and women to even record rooms or video conferencing facilities, and how the Chief Justice has now come up with a solution regarding a proposal on how the infrastructure issues can be improved in the courts, and how he sent this proposal to the Union Law Minister, but now seeks an expedited manner from the government in terms of resolving these issues, and especially the fact that this proposal should be taken up in the upcoming winter session of the Parliament.